With each drone it releases, DJI keeps resetting the standard for what a drone can do. Its newest model, the Mavic Air 2, is no different. Like its predecessor, the Mavic Air 2 can shoot video at resolutions up to 4K, but now you can film it up to 60 frames per second, twice what the previous version could do. Also, the Mavic Air 2 has a larger half-inch image sensor which, when coupled with a quad Bayer sensor, lets you shoot 48 megapixel images. DJI also added HDR 4K video, as well as scene recognition for still photos. For the Mavic Air 2, DJI also beefed up the flight time to an excellent 34 minutes, and it improved the sensors so that the drone is even better at tracking objects such as people and vehicles. Overall, we were very impressed with both the handling and the images and video we shot with the Mavic Air 2. It's the best video drone you can get for less than $1,000. For Tom's Guide, this is Mike Prospero.